Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good day. Okay, today we have a package right here. This comes from Archery KL. Okay, this just arrived today. Let's open this up. Okay, here it is. This is the new Topoint back tension release. The Topoint TP469 back tension release. Okay, I bought this to replace my trusty. Okay, this is my old. If I'm not mistaken, it is TP461 with the brass insert. It also comes with the aluminum insert if you prefer a lighter release. Okay, so this is the new one and the latest model. Let's look at it. Let's open this up. Okay, here it is. Okay, here it is. Ooh, actually, it is quite heavy. Probably the same weight as the old one. Okay, let's see, the mechanism on the head is the same. This is similar to the HT line of through ball, where you can rotate the moon to choose between a click and a no click setup. Okay, right now it is set on click. Oh, the difference is, if you can see here, the jaw close up all the way in, but in this one, it is stuck there. So the range of movement, oh, you see, under here you have a bar that prevents the jaw from going further to the front. This is quite slim. Let's see the thumb peg. Also, the same one. You have 3 positions for your thumb pegs. I prefer to use the closer one. Oh, okay. This is interesting. If you see here, there are notches that you can probably set the third finger angle to your preferred angle. Not bad. It feels a little bit thinner than the previous model. Especially here, it feels more rounded. The adjustments are the same. You will have one locking screw here, and the adjustment is here. Very straightforward setting. If you prefer it to be hotter, you turn this in clockwise to tighten, and the release will be hot. If you prefer the opposite, then you rotate it counterclockwise. Let's see what else we have in the box. Okay, in the box we have an extra screw, 4-finger attachment that you can swap, which I won't use, and a sling for you to put it probably over here if you want to bring this release hunting. Okay, one thing that I notice is there are no branding. If you see here, the brand is printed over here, but in the new one there are no printing whatsoever. Looks kind of rough on the inside, and the edges feels quite sharp. Okay, overall I think this is a very affordable, if I must say, compared to the American brands, which are the true balls. uh, Nowadays with the tariffs, all the prices have gone up. So you have alternative. You have made in China stuff, and this is one of them. And kudos to XLR for bringing this in. Okay, so later we will try out this release, and we will give the conclusion. That's all for the unboxing video. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.